Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Porsche Macan versus the Mercedes GLE. We'll dive deep into what makes each of these luxury SUVs stand out. The Macan, a compact SUV, prioritizes a dynamic driving experience. The GLE, a mid-size option, focuses on spaciousness and refined comfort. Both offer premium features, but cater to slightly different buyer preferences. Let's explore their key differences. When it comes to performance, the Macan truly shines with its agile handling and responsive engines. It feels more like a sports car than an SUV. The GLE, while powerful, offers a smoother, more composed ride, prioritizing passenger comfort. Its available air suspension provides an exceptionally plush experience. Both offer impressive acceleration, but their driving philosophies differ significantly.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your healthy meals fresh, whether you're heading to the office or on a road trip. Find the link and other amazing deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Inside, the Macan presents a cockpit-like feel, emphasizing driver engagement with premium finishes. The GLE offers a more expansive and luxurious cabin, perfect for families, featuring its impressive MBUX infotainment system. While the Macan's cargo space is adequate, the GLE provides substantially more room for luggage and gear, making it a more practical choice for longer trips. In terms of practicality, both SUVs offer robust safety features and reliable performance. The Macan's smaller size makes it more nimble in urban environments. The GLE's larger dimensions provide greater passenger comfort and cargo versatility. While initial purchase prices are similar, ownership costs can vary. Both brands are known for holding their value well over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.